Introducing the Barely Bare look. This is all about perfecting your natural beauty. It is a no makeup look. Use the Khol design in Camel to widen your eyes. Make sure to use the best color for your skin tone. Alright ladies, now we get into the full look. This has been done with a Let's Face It palette. We start off with the eyes. We use the Dahab Desert on the crease of the eye as a contour. This makes the eye look shaped with more dimension. Next, we use the Cocoa Crush on the cheeks. So basically, you're gonna work through your hollows of your cheeks to create more definition on your cheekbones. We then move to the apple of your cheeks. Here, we are using Sandy Rose. In circular motions, move upwards for a more even look. Next, get your glow on with Glow Game from Let's Face It palette. Use it on your cheekbones, the tip of the nose, bridge of the nose. Using the Lash Challenge mascara, volumize your lashes for a little bit of texture and fullness in your eyes. Complete your look with your lips. Lightly dab it across your lips, above and below, and you're done. Leave a comment below and let us know how you went about it. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our videos.